Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the comparison between organic and inorganic compounds. Today we will know about the unique nature of carbon atom. What is that unique nature? It is having two unique qualities, that is tetravalency of carbon atom. What is the meaning of tetravalency? Tetravalency means it is having a valency as 4. Now let us know about that. What is the atomic number of carbon? Atomic number of carbon is 6. How can we write it as 6? We can write this 6 in the electronic configuration like 2, 4. So atoms, in order to attain the octet configuration, they will lose the electrons or they will gain the electrons. Already the first orbital is filled with 2 electrons and the second orbital is filled with 4 electrons. That means exactly half of the octet configuration. So this carbon neither loses the electron nor gains the electron. So it will form the covalent bond. What is the meaning of covalent bond? Yesterday as we have discussed that the formation of covalent bond will be taking place because of the sharing of the electrons. So this carbon atom is ready to share 4 electrons. So and it is having, due to that nature, as if it is ready to take 4 electrons, we call it as tetravalency of carbon atom. It will share 4 electrons with any other atom. So this is one of the unique nature of the carbon atom. The next one is the catenation. Catenation. What is catenation? The property of self-linking. Self-linking means the atom, the carbon atom will be linking to itself. The self-linking of atoms of an element to covalent bonds in order to form straight chains, branched chains and cyclic chains of different sizes is known as catenation. That means here, if you see this example, carbon is linking to itself through the single chain. And here, it is again the carbon and carbon is attached to itself in the form of branched manner. And here, the carbon is attached to itself, but it is in a cyclic manner. This cyclic manner is also called as a closed chain. So here in the catenation, the self-linking of the carbon atoms will be taking place through the straight chains or branched chains or the cyclic chains. So this self property is available. This self property of catenation is available in the carbon. So this tetravalency and catenation are the two types, two main features of this carbon atom. Next, here it is forming, in the catenation there is a formation of straight, branched and cyclic chains of the carbon atoms. That means as if we said that catenation is nothing but self-linking of the atoms among itself or with any other atoms. So here whenever it is taking the catenation, it will form either the straight chain, branched chain or the cyclic or closed chain. And not only formation of this straight, branch or cyclic or closed chains, it is also having the phenomenon of formation of the single, double and triple covalent bonds. What is a single covalent bond? First of all, already we have discussed the covalent bond is sharing of the electrons. So the carbon is ready to accept or ready to share the 4 electrons of other carbon atom. If it is ready to take single carbon atom, one carbon atom is ready to take the reaction with other carbon atom. If they are sharing only a single pair of atoms, then it is called as a single bond. If among the 2 carbon atoms, 2 pairs of electrons are shared, then it will be having a double bond. If 3 pairs of carbon atoms are shared among the two carbon atoms, it will form the triple bond. Let us see that in the form of the dot structure. This is, we know that the valency of carbon is 4. So this is the valency of first carbon and this is the valency of the second carbon. So that in order to form that reaction, they will be taking the linkage and forms as the bond between these two. So here it will be getting the single bond and sometimes it will be getting double bond. This is the double bond. And here sometimes it will be getting the triple bond. So this is called as the formation of the triple bond. Not only the triple bond or double bond or single bond formed among only carbon, it is also ready to take the bonding with other atoms like oxygen and nitrogen also. So whenever it is taking reaction with the nitrogen, it will be forming the triple bond. So with the carbon, it is forming, nitrogen is forming the triple bond. And with oxygen, it is ready to form the double bond. So, like this, it will be forming the different types of bonds, not only with carbon, among the carbon, it also forms with other atoms like nitrogen and oxygen also.